morning, family. Welcome back to today's tutorials. So in today's tutorial, guys, I'll be teaching you how to make your own transparent liquid soap from the comfort of your home. You can make this for personal purpose, or you can also make this for commercial purpose. So whichever one that you want, just feel free to stay tuned and learn. Thank you so much to all my old and new subscribers. This girl here is so happy. Thank you so much for connecting. Thank you so much for making this community a lively one. Please always help me share my videos, drop a beautiful comment, and also like. You can also drop what you want to learn next, and trust me, I will also create a video for that. So without wasting so much of your time, let's dive into the tutorials fully. So to make this, we're going to use salt. Yes, the normal cooking salt that you know. Perfume of your choice. SLS, aka rice. It's called rice because it's actually in a grainy form like rice. And then we have Tezapon. Now, for you to maintain consistency, or for you to be consistent in your production, you have to be intentional with your measurements. So there are actually cups that come in 1 liter, 2 liters, 5 liters and above, but I don't have any of those ones. I'm just going to improvise with my baking cup. This one is already broken, so I'm just dedicating it for measurements of water anytime I'm making liquid soap. So I'm just dedicating it to my soap making for measurements. Now we need 2.5 liters of water for this production, and this cup measures a cup that we use in baking. A cup measures 250 mils. So 250 plus 250 again, that will give us 500. So another 250, that will give us 750. So another 250, that's going to give us 1 liter. That's going to give us 1000 mils. And 1000 mils is equivalent to 1 liter. So that is how we will take our measurements. Give us 1 liter. And if I said we need 2.5, that means 8 of this is going to give us 2 liters, and then the remaining 0.5 is going to be 2 cups of this. So that means in total we're needing 10 cups of this. The normal measuring baking cup, which is calibrated 250 mils, 10 cup of it is going to give us 2.5 mils of water. So let's measure that together. So I'm just going to go ahead and then add my Tezapon into this water and then carefully mix this. It could actually take a while to dissolve, but just do it little at a time. My daughter was actually helping then. So this could take a while to dissolve. So just take your time and then continue dissolving it. Don't feel scared or get scared when you see it foaming this way. Tezapon foams very well, so just allow it. Just focus on making sure that you get everything dissolved. To make the dissolving process faster, I'm going to pour in the SLS, because if I pour it directly, they're going to take a while to dissolve. I'm just going to pour this here to the bowl that contains the SLS. I'm not going to add this water. Now I'm not adding any additional water. I'm still going to get water from the main bin, which is the 2.5 liters that we have. I'm just going to add some water into it and then continue dissolving. This could take a while, but just be patient with it. Take your time and do this. You can also soak this down maybe some hours before you start your full soap production, so that it takes its time to dissolve properly before you start combining everything together. One thing I've noticed about soap making, that you're going to stir, or more, you're going to stir over and over and over and over again to get all the ingredients well dissolved. I'm just going to transfer the SLS mixture into the bowl that contains the Tezapon, and then I'll start combining this together. Don't worry about the foam. We're going to allow this to sit or stand for 24 hours. Everything is going to evaporate out. So by tomorrow, God sparing our lives, taking life one step at a time, we'll bottle this and you guys will see how everything will just go out. So it's now time for us to introduce our salts. Little at a time, just start introducing this and be stirring it together. Take your time, stir it properly. All the ingredients, their names and quantity will be listed in the description box below. So do well to check that out. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Share my videos to other people so that they can see what you are also enjoying here. So you can see how it's thickening. You can see that for yourself. You can see that for yourself. So the more salt you add, the more thickened it's going to be. But I think I like this consistency. I'm not going to add more. But if you want yours more thickened, feel free to add more salt. But this is okay for me, guys. I'm not adding more salt. So thank you so much and see you all in my next tutorials. After 24 hours, all the foam will go out. So you can see the liquid soap now. It's now crystal clear. So you can just decide to sieve this into with a sieve before you bottle. But since I made ours for home use, but I'm not sieving anything, I'll just go ahead and then bottle it. But if you want to sell, you can just go ahead and sieve it so it can become very clear, no dirt and all the rest. Now if you want your sticker, you can just maybe add more salt, more than I gave in the quantity listed. So let's go ahead and bottle this. Of these bottles, you can get any shape of your choice and then bottle yours. So I'm not going to mix this. You can see the soap. If you want your sticker, you can add more salt to it and it will be thicker. But for me, this consistency is super good.